Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan has arrived and it's ready to redefine what we expect from a compact SUV. With a complete redesign inside and out, this latest iteration brings a bold, modern look and a significant tech upgrade while staying true to the practicality that's made the Tiguan a favorite around the world. Let's dive into everything you need to know about the new Tiguan. From the outside, the 2025 Tiguan immediately grabs your attention with its more sculpted design. The front end is sharper and more aggressive, with slimmer LED headlights that blend seamlessly into a sleek illuminated grille. The new design language follows Volkswagen's latest styling cues, giving the Tiguan a more upscale and aerodynamic presence. The rear also gets a major refresh with a full-width LED light bar and cleaner, more refined lines that give it a confident stance. Compared to the previous generation, the new Tiguan is slightly longer, which helps improve interior space and road presence. Under the hood, Volkswagen offers a range of powertrain options depending on the market. In North America, you'll likely see a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a mild hybrid system that delivers a balance of performance and efficiency. It produces around 200 horsepower and provides smooth acceleration thanks to the updated 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Front-wheel drive comes standard, but 4Motion all-wheel drive is available for those who want extra traction in all weather conditions. The Tiguan isn't a performance SUV, but it offers confident handling, a composed ride, and improved fuel economy over the outgoing model. Inside, the 2025 Tiguan has undergone a complete transformation. Volkswagen has clearly prioritized technology and comfort in this generation. The most eye-catching feature is the curved display that combines a digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment touchscreen into one flowing unit. The base screen starts at 12.9 inches, but higher trims upgrade to a massive 15-inch setup. The infotainment system is powered by VW's latest software, with support for wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. Physical buttons are minimal, replaced by touch-sensitive controls and sliders, including for climate control and audio. Seating comfort has also been enhanced, with available massaging front seats, premium materials throughout the cabin, and ambient lighting that can be customized to fit your mood. The rear seats benefit from the increased length of the vehicle, offering more legroom and improved adjustability. Cargo space is still generous, especially with the rear seats folded down, making the Tiguan an excellent choice for families, commuters, and road trippers alike. Safety and driver assistance technology is another strong point. The new Tiguan comes standard with features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. Higher trims add advanced systems like predictive adaptive cruise, traffic sign recognition, and semi-autonomous driving capabilities for highway cruising. These systems not only improve safety but also reduce driver fatigue on long journeys. Volkswagen has also made strides in sustainability, incorporating more eco-friendly materials into the interior and improving overall efficiency. The mild hybrid system helps reduce emissions and enhances stop-start functionality in city driving. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Tiguan is expected to start in the low $30,000 range for the base model, with fully loaded trims reaching into the mid-$40,000s. It strikes a solid balance between affordability and premium features, positioning it well against rivals like the Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, and Mazda CX-50. The 2025 Volkswagen Tiguan is a bold step forward for the brand. It's smarter, more stylish, and more refined than ever before. Whether you're upgrading from an older model or stepping into the VW family for the first time, the new Tiguan is worth a serious look. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more reviews, news, and test drives coming soon.